Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with our Make It Till We Make It to our 1K collaboration with myself and Tree from Craft On here on YouTube. I will link her down on the description below. I will also link the original video down on the description below. So we've already hit our 1K or 1,000 subscribers and we're so super excited. We actually hit it super fast thanks to a lot of you guys, and we were at our second week basically when we hit our 1K. So we wanted to continue on doing our projects until the end of this month, in all fairness, so that way we could actually give more to you guys instead of just 2 projects. So my first project was this little tote bag. I don't know if you guys could see it. I don't know, it might be too big for this, and it was about 6. I can't remember the sizes. I don't have my ruler on me, but anyway, so this was my last week's project. So it was bows, and I had done embellishments, so I wanted to do more than one set of embellishments, so I went ahead and did 2 embellishments. These are the balloon embellishments, and these are just like the little stripes that you could put on back toppers or any other project. This was my first week project, which was a tassel, paper tassels, and then this one, or my second week, and this is my third week, which was the banner. And I went ahead and already did a pre-package for this, so super excited. And all of these basically already kind of fit in here. I have to repackage this one, but I just wanted to show you how this is going to go in here. And hopefully one of you guys ladies or one lucky subscriber will win this. Our rules will be in the original video, so we do recommend that you watch the original video so you guys can see what the instructions are, because there are specific instructions. If you guys still want to join, you guys are still able and have time to join. Excuse if you guys see any glare. So let me go ahead and show you what it is for this week's project. And it was going to be, for myself, was going to be rosettes and charm stangles. So this is what I came up with, my rosettes. So you guys can see that, how cute, huh? Oh my gosh, excuse the glare. As you guys know, it's kind of hard not to have glare. And there you go. So I did, I'm trying to do the party color at right here, and I just went ahead and put animals on here, so the colors are more of a party color instead of just a faint color. So there you go. And then I also created my dangles, and this is what I came up with, and I still have to do the packaging for this one. I do apologize for that. And there you go. These kind of remind me, let's see, sorry you guys, hopefully you guys could see. So these kind of remind me of like the balloons, gumballs, everything. So I went ahead and did that. I went ahead and resized these in the digital and made them to fit these bottle caps. These bottle caps were gifted to me by my friend Craft On Tree. And oh my gosh, it was like the perfect thing that I needed, which I was lacking because I was having so much trouble making these charms. So there you go. And that is basically it. If you guys still want to participate, you guys still have an opportunity to participate. Basically, all you have to do is do a VR on, you know, basically letting your subscribers know that, you know, we are doing this. And like I said, you guys still have that opportunity to join. Everything will be on the original video, and I will link that down on the description below. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.